Ever wondered what it's like to step into a church service that's been practiced for nearly 2,000 years? Welcome to the Ethiopian Orthodox Kedase, one of the most ancient and profound Christian liturgies in the world. This isn't just a service. It's a living, breathing connection to the earliest days of faith. Imagine the air filled with the scent of incense, the sound of ancient Gwizi chants echoing through the church, and the sight of priests in vibrant, traditional vestments. The Kedase is a spiritual journey, a multi-sensory experience that engages the heart, soul, and mind. It tells the story of salvation through prayers, readings, and beautiful hymns that have been passed down through countless generations. It's a testament to enduring faith and a vibrant cultural heritage. If you're fascinated by history, spirituality, and culture, you'll want to learn more about this incredible tradition. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most captivating spiritual practices.